Automatic tea bag packing machine introduction from China manufacturer and supplier. Automatic tea bag packing machine is one type of packing solution for weighing, feeding, and sealing the tea bag. In fact, there are many types of automatic tea bag packing machine, like the packing machine for pyramid tea bag, filled paper tea bag, tea pouch, and so on. Pyramid tea bag packing machine adopts the ultrasonic sealing technology and can produce biodegradable pyramid tea bag. Besides, the machine uses the electronic weigher as filling system, can mix and pack different types of tea into one bag. Look at a triangle-shaped tea bag. It's great packaging shape. Filled paper tea bag packing machine is for herbal tea bag, small business starter. This type of packing machine adopts the mastering volumetric cup as filling system, mainly for broken tea packaging with outer envelope. Hello, this is the tea bag packing machine for Spanish. See the filled paper tea bag with the thread and tag. Double chamber tea bag packing machine. If I say Lipton double chamber tea bag, I think you will know what this packing machine is for. See the sample? Double chamber, double loom. That's great packing solution for tea. Tea pouch packing machine for 1 kg loose leaf tea packaging with vacuum function. If you are a tea company and you have any needs, kindly contact us. We are specialized manufacturer for automatic tea bag packing machine. Already sold this packing machine to Germany, United States, United Kingdom, Spain, Italy, Australia, Malaysia, and so on. Thank you for watching.